Hello travelers, my name is Angel Perez. I'm here at the property of Mr. Abubakar KOROMA. The claim number it's JCF 7430001H. We're here at the property of Mr. Abubakar and we're gonna perform a repair on this damaged shingle on the back slope. As you can see, I have marked the area where we're going to be working on, and you can see the damaged shingle marked with pink chalk. One thing I want to make clear, notice before we begin the repair, I don't have any other shingles damaged. Before we start the repair, I'm also going to do a quick overview of the property, show you guys where this damaged shingle is located at, as well as some of the shingles in front that you can see. There are so damage also in the front. Just a quick zoom in right here. The front side is newer, but we still have creased shingles. Some of the tools that I'm going to be using: the new shingle, roof snake, the hammer. My tripod is already set up, good to go, and that's the area we're going to be working on. So let's go ahead and start with the repair. This is ready to go. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to find out where the damaged shingle begins and where it ends. To do that, I'm going to get under the shingle. Now until the part what I marked. There you go. I have to get under this shingles so I know where the shingle starts. So this shingle starts right here. It's gonna finish right here. Alright? Want to make sure this is not in the way when I'm recording. Now we should be able to see everything. Like I said, the damaged shingle starts right here and it finishes right over here. So I'm gonna get under the shingle so I can get the nails out. That's the first step. There's no nail on this side. Looks like there's no nail in here either. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna get the first nail out. I get the grip of the nail, push up. And once I get a grip, you're gonna push down. There you go. And I grab the nail with the other side, and it comes out really easy. Next nail. It was just hard to get a grip on that nail, but I got it. Another nail. There you go. That's it for my shingle that is damaged. I'm going to put the new shingle back in place now. Especially putting the new shingle back in place, I want to make sure I'm not lifting the shingles up more than I'm supposed to. But overall, throughout the whole process, I've been moving myself around rather than manipulating the shingles as much. I'm now lifting the shingles up more than 45 degrees. Okay. What I do now is I put the nails back in place. can see, especially putting the nails back in place, I'm moving myself around, positioning my body in a way that I'm not lifting the shingles more than 45 degrees. It's a little bit complicated here because of the solar panels, but we'll make it work. Again, I'm moving myself around so I don't lift the shingles up. There you go. That's the position of the shingle because of the solar panels is making the repair a little bit complicated. I should have the last nail in this corner. Alright, I'm all done with the repair. Let's go ahead and show you guys what happened after we have repaired just one shingle. You can see now we have creasing that happened all across these top shingles. This one is okay. Yeah, this one is fine. Let's see, more creasing around here. More creasing around here. This one is creased right around here. You can see the crease going all across right here on this one. On this one right here, and you can actually see like a little crack right there on the corner. Crease right here. Crease right here. Crease right here. Okay. So we have creasing that happened on this repair. So creasing is a yes. Let's find out. I had some mat transfer in one of these shingles right here. Yep, right there. So we're gonna put mat transfer, yes. Granule loss. You can see all the granules falling on top of the new shingle just by touching, barely touching on the on the other shingle. So granule loss, that's also a yes. And as you can see, there's a little tear right there. Tear, that's a yes. So I've completed this repair just with this one shingle, and you can see the damages that happened all across the top shingles now, just by repairing one. So this was a fail repair. Unfortunately, I cannot make any safe repairs to this roof before creating any more damages to it. Thank you guys, thank you travelers very much for watching.